Okay, so here's something that people aren't saying when it comes to no personal guarantee business credit cards.
Here we go again.
Companies like Brex, Stripe, and Ramp definitely market their corporate cards as no PG. And they are, but here's the catch. These cards act more like charge cards, which is a little bit different than you and I perceive a credit card to be. Meaning you'll have to pay off the entire balance of a card within a certain time period, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly.
Run me my money, put it on the dash.
And if you're anything like how I was, for many business owners just starting out, we ain't got it. I mean, the whole reason we're looking for credit and funding in the first place is because we don't have the cash right now, let alone having it in a day, a week, or a month later.
Come on, I'm broke, baby. I ain't got no money.
So in this video, I'm going to go over some true no PG revolving business credit cards that will allow you to carry a balance so that you can really free up some cash and give you time to build your business. So I'm Ty, and let's talk a little square biz. Now, when it comes down to it, no PG credit cards are few and far between, especially if you're looking for a no PG revolving business credit card. Now, some of you may be wondering, what's revolving? What does that mean? Well, let's all touch and agree that in this case, revolving means that you can carry a balance on your credit card from month to month. And unlike charge cards, your business doesn't necessarily have to pay off the whole entire balance before the end of the month or the end of the week or the end of the day. Now, yes, in most cases, if you carry a balance from month to month on a credit card, you will pay interest. But paying a minimum balance each month instead of a full balance can really be a game changer for small businesses just starting out. You'll be able to purchase equipment and supplies you need while still keeping cash in your pocket and freeing it up for other business operations.
I won. Give me my money.
So, okay, without further delay, let's go ahead and go over these no PG revolving business credit cards. So first up is one I speak about a lot, and that's the Sam's Club Business Mastercard. This one is very easy to get if you have a Sam's Club in your area. But you first got to be a member of Sam's Club, and that's going to run you about $45 for the basic membership. Now, Sam's Club has two types of business credit cards. The first one is their store card, and you're only going to be able to use this card in Sam's Club or Walmart, which really isn't that bad because Sam's Club and Walmart pretty much has everything. But their business MasterCard is one that you'll be able to use anywhere that MasterCard is accepted. Sam's Club uses Synchrony Bank to underwrite, so you'll need at least a 75 Experian Business IntelliScore score to qualify, and at least 3 Tier 1 accounts reporting to your Experian Business profile. You're going to have to apply in-store at the customer service kiosk, so you want to make sure you have your business information handy because 9 times out of 10, after you submit the application, you're going to have to call them and verify your business address, your EIN, your phone number, and possibly more. So it helps to have this information ready if you don't know it by heart. Lastly, this card will report to your Experian Business credit each month. The next no PG revolving card is the Tapago card. Now, a lot of people get confused on whether this card is a charge card or a revolving card. Well, let me clear that all up for you. Tapago is a revolving credit card, so you're able to carry a balance from month to month. And the good thing about this card is that your credit limit is determined by your business and banking history. So as your business grows, so does your credit limit. Like a lot of the fintechs out here, Tapago has an expense management platform where you can issue out corporate cards to your employees and track your spending. No deposit is required, and they'll report your payments to the business credit bureaus. To qualify, of course, you must have an EIN and a business address, and then you'll have to connect your business banking account so they can determine whether you're approved and what your credit limit will be. Now, this next card is one that, as of this taping, your business could be one of the first ones to get once it's released. And it's the Tillful card. Now, the Tillful business credit card is a secure card, and it's going to require you to put down a minimum security deposit of $500. This deposit acts as a safeguard just in case you miss a payment. And speaking of payment, Tillful wants you to use this card for all of your everyday business expenses. And if you do that, then they'll help you build your business credit by reporting these payments to the business credit bureaus. Now, though you have to put down a deposit, Tillful still allows you to carry a balance from month to month. And to get approved for this card, you'll have to have an EIN, a business address, and not be in a high risk or restricted industry. And like I said, your business can be one of the first businesses to get this card once it drops in the spring of 2022. All you have to do is sign up to their wait list, which I put a link for in the description. But if you can't wait that long and you need some business funding now with very limited personal liability, then check out this video where I go over a win-win business credit card that you can get approved for no matter what your business credit looks like. So I'm Ty, that was a little square biz, and I'm out.